Many organizations have a whole new set of applications that are driving requirements for increased capabilities and performance at the edge of the cloud, or even beyond the edge of the network. For many customers, this means bringing AWS cloud computing capabilities to the edge. Running applications in disconnected environments and connected edge locations can be challenging because these locations often lack the space, power, and cooling needed for data center IT equipment. The AWS Snow family of devices are used to help customers that need to run operations in austere, non-data center environments and in locations where there's a lack of consistent network connectivity. AWS Snow Cone is the smallest member of the AWS Snow family of edge computing and data transfer devices, weighing in under 5 pounds with 8 terabytes of usable storage, 2 CPU, and 4 gigabytes of memory. Snow Cone is small, approximately 9 inches long by 6 inches wide by 3 inches tall, and supports operation via battery for mobility. Snow Cone is portable, ruggedized, secure, and purpose-built for use outside of a traditional data center. Its small form factor and lightweight design makes it a perfect fit for tight spaces or where mobility is a necessity, allowing Snow Cone to deploy virtually wherever you need it. Snow Cone devices use tamper-evident and tamper-resistant enclosures with 2 layers of encryption in transit and at rest. Snow Cone is designed to meet stringent standards for ruggedization, including free-fall shock, operational vibration, and more. When sealed, the device is both dust-tight and water-resistant. The device also has a wide operating temperature range from freezing to desert-like conditions. Customers use Snow Cone in backpacks on first responders, for content distribution, in tactical edge computing use cases, in healthcare and industrial IoT scenarios, for transportation, logistics, autonomous vehicles, and even in drone use cases. Like other members of the AWS Snow family, customers can use Snow Cone to collect, process, and move data to AWS and run edge computing workloads that use AWS IoT Greengrass or Amazon EC2 instances. To set up and manage Snow Cone, you can use AWS Ops Hub, a graphical user interface application for Snow family devices, including Snow Cone, enabling you to rapidly deploy edge computing workloads and simplify data migration to the cloud. With Snow Cone, you have options to best fit your data movement needs. Utilizing the innovative e-ink shipping display, which acts as a touchscreen during operation, you can ship the device with data to AWS for offline data transfer or transfer data online with AWS Data Sync. At the edge, you can connect to the device over Ethernet or Wi-Fi and access its storage using NFS. Once the data transfer job has been processed and verified, AWS performs an erasure of the device that follows the National Institute of Standards and Technology guidelines for media sanitization. You can order Snow Cone with just a few clicks in the AWS console. Get started with AWS Snow Cone today for your computing and data transfer workflows at the edge.